Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm here with a grad photo shoot makeup tutorial, and I'm going to start off by prepping my skin. I'm using the e.l.f. Holy Hydration Moisturizer. Next, I'm going in with highlight. I'm using the Becca backlight priming filter. This is like highlighter for your face. And this is something I do only for special occasions. So I'm color correcting all of my hyperpigmentation under the eyes, around my mouth, the sides of my face, my forehead. Any sign of discoloration is going to be orange. Now I'm just blending that out. So just as a precautionary step, I'm going to cover up the color corrector with a concealer. I'm using the e.l.f. Hydrating Camo Concealer. This is a really good concealer, by the way. I just did not want the orange to show up because I'm using a really lightweight medium coverage foundation, which you will see further ahead. Now for foundation, I am using the Too Faced Peach Perfect foundation. This has been my holy grail foundation for the past 2 years. It's the perfect semi-matte foundation. It's really comfortable to wear and it's long lasting, and I thought it would be perfect for a photo shoot event. And now, just to cover up some more of my dark circles, I am using my regular e.l.f. Flawless Brightening Concealer. I wanted to actually look flawless for that photo shoot. And now onto the eyes, I'm using my Art eyeshadow primer to let that pigment come through. So this is probably the biggest palette I've ever used. This is the Morphe 35F palette, and I'm just using a pinky nude shade all over my eyelid as a base shade. So my goal for the photo shoot look was to go very neutral and very lightweight, and so that's what I'm aiming for. Next, I'm using my e.l.f. Bite Size Truffle palette, and I'm taking a really dark brown that I couldn't actually find in the Morphe palette. And I'm focusing this on the outer V of my eye to have like a smoky gradient effect. And then I'm taking a clean brush and blending it all together. So blending is key over here because I did not want it to look overpowering in any way. So I pretty much blended it for around 15 minutes. Now I'm using the Kaja Cheeky Blush Stamp as a blush. This is the cutest blush or makeup item that I own in my collection right now. But I didn't think there was that much of pigment, so I went back to my trusty Milk Makeup lip and cheek stick. So for photo shoots, you always want to put on more blush than you usually do because it's harder for it to show up in photos. Now I'm using the e.l.f. Wow Brow Eyebrow Gel, just brushing my eyebrows upward and then sideways. And next, this is something that I always do. I am lining my waterline. And this is something I only do for special occasions. I am curling my eyelashes. And now I'm using the Lancome Lash Idol Mascara. For lips, I'm using the Essence This Is Nude lipstick in the shade Real. This is honestly the perfect pinky nude shade.
Okay, wow.
So I'm just making it a little more brownier and I'm using a brown lipstick. I'm now lining my eyes with the e.l.f. eyeliner pen.